Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing. And this time, as you can see, it's for MudRunner, a Spintires game. Or I just like to call it Spintires MudRunner. I think everybody else does. So yeah, there's the front. Don't know what truck it is, but I think it's Russian. So, got it off Amazon. Well, didn't get the truck. Be funny if I did. Got the game off Amazon for £20, just over £20. So yeah, really looking forward to playing on it. So there's the back. You can read it if you want to. Apparently the physics on this are ridiculously good. So, get mud clogged up in your tyres and stuff. 2 gig install size. So, yay. So, inside we have the disc, which I quite like the disc art, that's cool. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of Spintires MudRunner, guys. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, bye-bye.